In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed interactive 3D into your Wix website using Spline. Integrating interactive 3D models into your website can create a dynamic and engaging user experience that sets your site apart from the rest. So, let's dive right in and take it step by step. To start, ensure you have a Wix account and that your website is ready for customization. If you're new to Spline, head over to spline.design to sign up and explore the platform. Once you have access, and you're comfortable with the interface, we can bring in some 3D magic. Begin by creating or uploading your 3D model in Spline. It's essential to make sure your model is optimized for the web. Avoid overly complex models, as these can slow down load times on your website. As you work through your design, consider adding interactions and animations that can bring an element of interactivity to your 3D model. With your Spline design ready, it's time to export it for the web. In the Spline editor, click on the Export button, usually found at the top of the page. From the export options, select Embed. This generates a snippet of JavaScript code, which will be used to integrate your 3D model into your Wix website. Next, let's switch over to your Wix editor to embed the code. Access your website's backend, and open the page where you want to display your 3D object. We recommend previewing your website first to plan the ideal section for your 3D content. Remember, positioning is key for impact. Once you've nailed down the perfect spot, select Add from the toolbar and choose the Embed option. There, you will find a choice to embed a widget or custom HTML. Opt for the latter. A customizable frame or box will appear on your page. In the box's settings, look for the Enter Code option and paste in the JavaScript code you previously copied from Spline. After pasting the code, adjust the size and position of the embedded box to fit your page layout. Ensure your 3D model scales correctly for both desktop and mobile views to maintain a seamless user experience across all devices. Wix offers a preview option, allowing you to visualize and perfect your design across various screen sizes. Finally, save your changes, and preview your site to ensure that everything functions as intended. Click around, test the interactions, and admire the interactive 3D model now live on your website. Once satisfied, publish your changes to make your 3D enhanced page available to the world. And there you have it, your Wix website is now expertly integrated with an interactive 3D model using Spline. Remember, practice makes perfect. As you grow more familiar with Spline and Wix, explore different interactions and styles to elevate your site's engagement. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.